Ah. I blew out the tire? Wow, what crappy tires. Missed that jump. There it went.
I'm not the only one.
Why did we break on the sledge? Oh. It's shock end.
Yeah.
Did it even break? Yeah, right here. Yeah, just sheared right there. Yep. So, not too bad. Oh! Alright, so like I said, I'm still new to the 3S Arrmas, and I bought this used with these 17mm hubs.
Oh, we got another patient.
So I don't know if that's part of this, but this guy slid out. So we're gonna have to figure that one out. Oh! I'm not the only one! Oh, I ripped off the whole hub. Man, that's so bizarre. Yeah, but same thing, the plastic's just bending so much. It didn't break, it just fell off. Crazy. I'm gonna take a crazy guess, say everything's okay, because this thing can take a hit like nobody else. I'm going with the batteries unplugged again. Need to go ahead and secure this, see if that helps. And I guess I lost the, this came off. At least no walk of shame. Just the batteries?
Yeah, both sets of batteries.
Jump again! Oh gosh! Very first jump with the new Traxxas fan. And it's broken. Dad jumping his sledge. I don't know how you landed that. Idiot. Killed it. Let's see what we did. Nothing to the car. I'm gonna go with battery came unplugs. Ta-da! Yep. That hurt my soul. First off, Spectrum phone mount sucks. Second off, what do we do here? Doesn't look like it broke. The pin just came out. Did you have a set screw in there? Yeah. The phone mount I'm talking about, it's this one. It's really good for being a dashboard, but if you want to use it for recording, it's not good. You can't tighten this very much, so it still moves no matter what. Traxxas definitely won design on their phone mount. So I'll be taking the receivers out of all my vehicles and going with Traxxas, specifically because I like using my controller to record. Alright. Oop. Ooh, wow.